Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're tackling a topic that sparks a lot of debate: redlining your engine. Is it really as bad as people say, or can it actually be good for your car? Let's dive in. What is redlining? So, what does redlining actually mean? It's when you push your engine to its RPM limit, the red zone on your tachometer. Most manufacturers set these limits safely, but that doesn't mean you can't go a little higher. The real question is, should you? Redlining, the truth, the short answer: redlining isn't bad, but only if you do it right. The most important factor? Temperature. Your engine needs to be fully warmed up before you even think about pushing it. That means both your coolant and oil should be up to temperature, usually after a 15-20 minute drive. Cold engines are tighter, and cold oil doesn't flow well. So, pushing it too hard when it's cold, that's a recipe for damage. Could redlining be good? Here's a surprising tip. Occasionally hitting those higher RPMs can actually benefit your engine. It's called an Italian tune-up. If you mostly do short trips, your engine never gets to stretch its legs. Driving at higher speeds on the highway for 15-20 minutes helps clear carbon buildup, keeps your fuel injectors working, and gives your engine a good workout. Load versus revs, one thing many people don't realize. Load matters more than revs. Going uphill at 3.0 RPM puts more stress on your engine than cruising at 5.0 RPMs on a flat road. It's all about cylinder pressure. The real danger, what can actually hurt your engine, the money shift. That's when you downshift into the wrong gear and over-rev the engine. This can cause serious damage. Thankfully, most cars have rev limiters to prevent that. Here's the bottom line: never push a cold engine. If your engine is fully warmed up, occasional redlining is fine and might even help. Listen to your engine. If it sounds rough, don't push it. Engines are built tough, but don't overdo it. Keep it occasional and intentional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips from Weekly Tools. See you next time.